What's up, world? Today I'm inside my 2009 Pontiac G6, aka my wife's car, and I want to hopefully fix my turn signals. See, I put the car just up a little bit, but when you click it up, it clicks. I forgot to start the car. Car started, but when you click on the turn signal, you go all the way and you come back, it does not reset itself. Like, you can kind of almost hear it not go off. So what I'm hoping to do is I bought a new switch, and hopefully I can just pop this old one out and get it to work. So the first thing I want to do is take off all of this. So I'm going to lift the steering wheel all the way up, and I believe it was a 7mm socket. I'm just going to take off these 3 bolts, or 3 screws, that are directly under the column. Alright, so now all 3 screws are out, so this should just pop out just like that. And this one, I'm just going to take off to the side. But I'm going to get the camera in here closer. And hopefully I'll be able to show so I'm going to just take off this, and there's only 1 clip here and then 1 clip at the top. So I'm going to depress both those and take these 2 back ports out and see what happens. Alright, so now the old one is out. Now I'm just going to compare the old one to the new one. They look pretty much exact same, except the old one's more sun-ridden than the new one. And they look the same. It seems like this one's missing a back piece, and this has the back piece on it. But the connections look the same. So I'm going to just drop it in there and see if it works. And it doesn't fit. Oh, it does fit. But now I have the new one mixed up from the old one. I think this is the... yeah. This will be the one I just got. Alright, that's plugged in. I'm going to hit the top connection, bottom connection. Alright, that's all in, so now I'm going to get back in the car. And if I can find the key, start the car back up. Yep, I'm looking, brights work, turn signal, that works, that turn signal works. I can flash the high beams. Alright, so I wonder if I can do it without starting the car. Yeah, steering wheel won't turn. Car started. Turn signal is still clicking. Clicked it all the way, and it reset. Just like that. Yeah, so I guess that is how you fix the turn signal switch on these Pontiac G6s. I got this part used from the junkyard. It cost me all of $5. So for $5 I can get all of this stock working, but now I just have to get the rest of the dashboard to not be a Christmas tree. But yeah, I'm Julian Lawson, and that's how you fix a turn signal. Until next time, peace!